Hey guys, it is Sarah. Welcome back to my channel and my living room, and honestly, like, this is pretty much my entire apartment. Anyways, I was feeling kind of lazy, and also Kane has shingles. Okay, hi from future Sarah, but I just want to show you guys this photo of Kane with a bandage on his head to cover up his shingles. Anyway, that's basically it. So he like wasn't trying to help me set up like some cute filming setup. So welcome to my entire apartment on my vlog camera, which I never use. Hit me up in the comments if you guys want to see vlogs. In today's, if I have lipstick on my teeth. Anyways, in today's video, I am back with some DIY clothing. It was meant to be like DIY clothing for school, but then I got tonsillitis, so I had to like postpone that video. So now it's just like DIY clothing for life, but also school appropriate, so you know. So hopefully you guys like this video. I decided to film this because I went into a clothing store and I was like looking at these shorts that were like Levi's. They were like $100 or like $120. It was like something super ridiculous. Like, who the heck is trying to spend that much money on a pair of denim shorts? I made the shorts for like $1. Story time with Sarah. So I hope you guys like the video. I obviously added in some other super cute DIYs, if I don't say so myself. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and also I'm super curious as to like what kind of videos you guys want to see on my channel at the moment, because I want to switch it up and get like a little creative, but I also like want to make sure that you guys are down for that. So if you guys have any video recommendations, let me know in the comments, and if you guys have any videos that you don't want to see, also let me know in the comments.
No more of your boyfriend.
Don't say that though. Be nice. And yes, I hope you guys liked the video. These are the DIYs. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show you guys how to make these super cute shorts that are not $100, because honestly, who is trying to waste like $100 on a pair of shorts? Okay, so first things first, I just took myself a pair of denim shorts that I don't really wear anymore, and I also went to the craft store to try and find myself some cute ribbon. I didn't really expect to, but I managed to find myself some cute ribbon that looked identical to the one on the Levi shorts, so you know, just call me like a pro craft store shopper. And the coolest thing about this DIY is it's super customizable, so if you guys wanted to like switch up the ribbon for something that's more your style, then you can totally do that. I feel like this will look super cute with like pieces of lace, you feel me? Anyways, once you've got your ribbon, you just want to roughly cut it down to size, put a bunch of fabric glue on the back of it, and then really carefully stick it down like the side seam of your shorts. Once I was done gluing, I just trimmed down the top piece of ribbon to fit my waistband perfectly, so you know, it was super crisp. I just threw on a bunch of books on the ribbon to weigh it down while it dried. I think I had to leave mine for like 24 hours before I could wash it, but totally check your instructions before you wash it.
It's going for you.
We're not doing that.
That is not gonna happen.
I can hear music go louder. Top going down while we're riding.
Okay, so moving on, I wanted to make a varsity leather hoodie. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. I don't know. Anyways, at every single craft store that I've gone to recently, they sell these varsity iron-on leather patches, and I just thought it'd be super cool and easy to iron them on to a hoodie. Anyway, so I picked this hoodie up from H&M. It was $10, so it was a bargain, and I started by lining my letters up from the middle first. So I put the N in the middle because I wanted to do like a half circle kind of vibe situation, so it was just easier to line them up like that. So pretty much all patches that I've ever used have different instructions, so just make sure that if you guys do this DIY, you read the instructions first, because I managed to burn one of the patches a little bit when I was doing this DIY. And to like extra make sure that you don't burn your hoodie or the patches, I would totally recommend just grabbing a little piece of like scrap fabric or something and putting that down between the iron and your patch to make sure you guys don't burn it.
Nothing like us, babe. We be glorious.
Hey guys, I just wanted to add that I kind of anticipated that this was gonna like be more visible, but it says 1 because the H and the Y are barely visible. Okay, this DIY is 100% my favorite in the video, and I made this jacket like 3 weeks ago and I've been so keen to wear it, so I'm excited that I'm finally posting this. All I did was take some craft paint and a stencil and of course a denim jacket. I already had this denim jacket in my closet and I haven't worn it in so long, so yeah. If you guys do want to recreate this DIY though and you don't have a denim jacket, then maybe just like hit up a thrift store. They always seem to have so many denim jackets and it's way cheaper than buying them brand new. So, you know, that's an idea if you guys want to do this DIY. Anyways, I just took some masking tape to like mask up the back section of my jacket so I didn't get paint everywhere. And I also taped down my stencil so that it wasn't like sliding about while I was trying to paint it. And then I just went in with my white fabric paint and I just started like sponging on my stencil. And if you guys do not have a sponge brush, then you can just use like a kitchen sponge, but you want to be super careful so that your paint doesn't seep. But I feel like this jacket turned out super cute. Like these kind of look like I have like flowers or like dandelions. Is that what the things that you wish on are called? Dandelions? I'm pretty sure. Paint that I used said to leave it for 4 hours on a flat surface before you wear it, but just like check your instructions just to make sure. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite DIY. Almost every single time I ask you guys this question, my least favorite is like the comments favorite, which kind of makes me happy because that means like, you know, just because I didn't like it as much didn't mean there was anything wrong with it. Bit of positivity for your weekend. And hit the post notification bell if you guys haven't already. Also, don't forget to forget about it. I love a personal joke in the middle of filming. And don't forget to comment down below letting me know what kind of videos you guys want to see or what kind of videos you guys don't want to see in like the nicest way possible because I'm fragile. And I will see you guys in my video next week. I hope you guys are having an awesome